Hi there. Welcome to Tech Thought. Today's topic is how to use Azure Key Vault. Okay, let's go for demo. I already have that Azure account. Here, let me go for my resource group. I have created Azure Key Vault. Azure Key Vault is it's a kind of a resource. Uh, so under this, we can create or we can store our application secure informations. So we can store it in three different categories, right? So we can store the secure information as a key or secret or certificates. Okay. The, okay, keys these keys mainly we can use it for like data encryption and decryptions. We can create a number of keys like either like in we can generate the keys or we can import it. Import if we already we have the keys, then simply we can import it. But in my case, I'm going to generate it. It's RSA. I'm going to select with RSA. So there are some Microsoft Azure is supporting two type of keys. One is RSA and EC. See, and RSA means it's the most widely used keys. So it's more, and the ECC is like like it's a latest one. It's mostly it's useful for mobile app and lightweight application uh, data communication. For those kind of purpose, we can use the uh, like ECC keys. So the main difference will be like the key size will be big. RSA key size will be big compared to the ECC keys. So and also that like the transfer, the fast encryption performance also will be faster the compared to the RSA keys. Okay, so I'm for now I'm going with RSA keys. So I'm correct selecting RSA. It means RSA key size here is 2048 bits. Key bits. It's a key size. It's in bits. Okay. So I'm going with this the minimum key size, and then I can here we can we can select activation and expiration date. These keys, if you want to keep these keys only the particular date range for next 1 year, then we can define our starting and expiration day and date here. That is optional. And then once we can define all those things, that's it. Simply we can generate the keys. So here I need to give that keys like you know uh, test 2 I'm giving, and then once we can so key got generated. So this key can be this key can be accessed and or used by any of the resources, any of that Azure resources, or we can from external application also we can use these keys. Okay, so these are the key information we can use. We can use these keys to encrypt and decrypt that data. So these keys mainly we can use it for in case of if we are storing data in the disk. On those time we can use these keys to encrypt and store the data. So these keys, whatever keys that RSA keys I have created, this is a asymmetric keys, which means it will use private and public key concept. Okay, it's secure compare with that semantic keys. Okay, this is where we can create the keys. And like the same thing, let's say if you want to store your database configuration details in the key vault, and we can access from your web application to connect to the database. In that case, we can store it in the secret, like like again, this also same thing. I can give that dbu url, and the value I can give localhost or something, whatever URL you want to give localhost. We can see this. We can give this, and that's it. It's kind of key value pair. We can create it. So these two keys, secrets I have, a username. The same way we can store database username, password, and credentials, all those things. Whatever secure information we want to store it, we can store it here. And the third one will be the certificate. The certificate mainly we will use it to, like communicate to the HTTPS protocols, right? So in that case, let's say if I have that web application, I want to secure with the certificate, then like I can generate the certificate, right? So this is like we can generate the certificate, and we can configure with our domain, so that the client, whoever trying to access it, they should use, they can use our certificate to access this, right? So that is another security information we can store it here. Again, the certificate, if you have already the certificate, you can import it, and if you don't have it, you can generate it. Okay. Then here we have that certificate type. There are two type of certificate. One is self-signed certificate, or another one will be certificate issued by integrated CA. CA means certificate authorities. Okay, there are two authorities is there. So which is integrated with here. So we can use any one of them. So either we can like if you want to go here, then you need to configure that which authority it's providing the certificate, and for our application. So here I'm it's mm, digit certificate. It's one of that authority. So if you want, I already added. Otherwise, the certificate provider, there are two type of two certificate provider is already integrated in the Azure, digital certificate and global sign. So here we can use any one of that certificate provider, and here we can give the details. We can give the details, and we can once it account got created, then it will be added here. Okay, then we can use this. Okay, we can use this certificate provider. Okay, so again, the subject, it's kind of global name, global unique name, so which we can define it for our certificate. Okay, and we can give multiple options, like country name, organization name, something we can give it, right? So that is certificate. Then that is subject. Once we give all those things, we can generate this. Then this certificate we can download it, and we can share it with the client, so that they can use that certificate, and they can communicate it through the HTTPS protocol. So these are the secure information. We can store it here in the Azure Key Vault, and we can access it. Right now we'll see how we can access this all those security information from or from outside. Okay. So So this is the all those secret information will be stored under Azure Key Vault. So we can, like there are a lot of tools and SDK to communicate and access of Azure Key Vault resources. Like like if you want to integrate it with the Java, then SDK will be there available, and Python, Node.js, or so. These are that SDKs will be there, and we can simply we can integrate this. We can include these libraries, and we can access that Azure Key Vault, and we can access the keys by using the keys name and secret information and certificate. Although whatever we want to access, we can access all those things. So here they're providing standard APIs. APIs and Java means like SDKs. They have provided supported SDKs which we can use that and we can integrate it. Okay, that's pretty much about the Azure Key Vault. Thank you.